Hey guys, Cookies here and Terror video, and today we're back into the Roblox game creation. Now, I looked at episode 3 and I never actually looked over the recordings, I just upload them raw. I have no audio in that video. I am very sorry about that. I only looked at that now. We're on episode 6 and I only noticed this now. But yeah, so there's no, like when we're making the play GUI, the play button, all that had no audio, and it's the longest episode of the series so far as well. Luckily, people were able to get us into had like video, so people were able to copy down the scripts that I made. But other than that, let's get into this episode. So in this episode, I am going to be working with an animation. Now, we're not actually going to be using the animation plugin that Roblox uses. We're going to be using the old ways of animating, which is going to be kind of cool, and it's going to be involving some maths and some angle correcting and stuff like that. But it's not going to be that hard. So let's go into the game and look what we have so far. Now, so as you see, it's a nice little thing here. Kind of looks nice. If we click start, we might change the colors of that as well. We spawn in a random place on the map. It's not loading in right now yet again. Graphics quality all the way up. I'm going to be turning that down in a second, but now we're loaded in. So we'll walk around, hold shift to run. We've been spawning there a lot recently actually, but still, let's just run around. If you hold shift that we made, and if we press F, we shoot a fireball, which is kind of cool. Now, as you see, they're moving really slow. That's for the pure reason that I'm recording, and also that the graphics quality is all the way up. Let me set it down. If you don't know how to do that, just go into settings, rendering, okay. Level 16, yeah, let's put that down to level 8. That shouldn't be too high or too low. It should be just perfect. Well, let's see anyways. Let's press play again so we can see what it's like. Yeah, it definitely loaded in faster. Alright, press start. Well, okay, the map isn't there, and we still spawned here. Let me go into view, output. It says it's working. It should be working, but we keep on spawning in this place. If I go into reset character, we'll see. Reset. And it is a... Let's go into start. No, yeah, alright. We're spawning in different places. It's just a chance that that's happening. So let's run around. Now let's press F. Alright, now they're still moving slow, but that's actually not my fault. It's just... There, now it's faster. So yeah, I think they look cool for now. They light up and everything. But now, what we want to do is our arms to push forward as well, so it looks like we're shooting them out of our hands. Wow, that was a long intro to do, sorry. But still, let's go into the script itself, which we kept on lighting so it can be transferred when we press play. So let's hit power. And now, we have to set some new variables, guys, so this is going to be fun. So we're going to do... C equals player.character. It's just I just so don't have to keep pressing player.character all the time. And we're gonna do this. Gonna be fun. Or S equals C dot torso dot these two bracket things, right shoulder. Now, I'll explain this in a second. Well, basically how it works is, it's left shoulder, LS equals left shoulder. Basically, in the torso, it has joints for each and every limb. So it's right, left leg, which would be hips, and then the arms would be shoulders. And then the head is just called neck. And basically, with these, we're able to change the angles that they're set at with some basic, loops, or like changing the CFrame. Sorry, I'm still a little bit sick, guys. Let me hit enter here, and we're gonna do all this thing is set out. The fire is inserted, everything's inserted, and then this is where it actually enters the This little line here is where it actually shoots out. This is where it's inserted into the world. So before that, we're just going to do ors.c0. Caps. ors.c0 equals ors.c0 times cframe.angles open bracket, close bracket, 0, 0, 0, sorry. Let me actually do a loop. For I equals, 4 I equals 1 to 10, do, and we'll put an end here as well. Oh, sorry, do, oh no, come on. There you go. And let's put there an end. And we're going to do a loop, and we're just going to do ORS equals ORS times CFrames that angle. What are we going to do here? Let's try 0. What would it be? We want it to get to 1.5, so what's 1/10 of that? 0.15, Jesus. My brain isn't working. And now we're going to do weight. Sorry. Weight 0.01. Actually, no, 0.25 might go well, maybe. We'll see, anyways. Alright, no, 0.025, that's what I was thinking. Actually, let's do 0.05. Yeah, I'm just trying to think how it's gonna look. I'm trying to get it so it doesn't overflow with being too fast, and it's not gonna lag just because your arms are moving at that fast, because slower PCs aren't gonna be able to run that many corrections a second. So I'm trying to think of the right angle. So if we press F now, as you see, the arm goes up, but it doesn't go back down. But as you see, it shoots right out. But now if we press it again, it's gonna keep going around till it gets back. Well, not perfectly back, but still. So that takes too long, I think. Let me pause the record and see what it's like anyway. Yeah, it's not making much of a difference anyway, so we're gonna have to definitely make that faster. So we're gonna do 0.01, and we might even make this shorter by going like 1 to 5, then doubling this, so it'll be 0.3. And then it would be still at 0.1. Now let's see what it looks like. Sorry if it's getting boring, guys. This is a very boring part of scripting. Now once it's finished, it's gonna look really cool, but it's really annoying. It's really just trial and error with these things. Right, now let's press F. I could say that's fast enough. We could go a little bit faster. Yeah, I kind of do want it to be faster. Do we need an animation? Yeah, we do, sorry. I was thinking something else there. Now this is getting a little bit... now look at that, 0.005. That's that's 5,000ths of a second. That's doing the angle correcting. I think that's a little bit too fast for the thing to handle. We'll see anyways. Let's see. Let's go around. Oh, it's kind of perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Now now obviously we want it to come back down. So we're gonna copy this, Control C, and then after the x.parent equals workspace, we're gonna paste it, and then we're gonna do minus 0.3. I think that's simple enough, and obviously we're probably gonna be able to break this, because if we keep spamming F, it's gonna eventually fix, like it's gonna break. So let's see what it looks like anyways if we go nice and just press F once. Yeah, that's kind of nice. So we're gonna have both arms doing it though. But yeah, that's kind of cool, I guess. But if we keep pressing it, as you see, we can break it. It will fix itself, but we don't want our arms going that far back. Now, I have a way of fixing this, but we're going to have to go into the next episode for that, because I don't think I have enough time to explain it. It's going to be doing an ammo system. So, but let's do the, what do you call it? The left shoulder. So we're going to do ls.c0 equals ls.c0 times CFrame dot angles, open bracket, close bracket, 0, 0, 0. and we're gonna change that to plus. No, we're gonna change this to minus 0.3. Now, if you're wondering what's happening, it's okay. I'll explain it now. So basically, the left shoulder works opposite to the right shoulder. Same with legs. Basically, if this is plus 0.3, if you want the left shoulder to go the same way, you're going to have to do a minus 0.3. It's just how it works. I know it's stupid, but, well, it's not really stupid. It kind of makes sense. But other than that, there should work. Now they should both go up at the exact same time, and it should look smooth. So basically, that's how it works. So the left shoulder is opposite to the right shoulder. So if you want it to go forward, the right shoulder is plus 0.3, and left shoulder is going to be minus. That's how it works. So now, there you go. Oh, that went... Okay, it kind of broke there. Why is that going up so far? I don't know why it's doing that. Will we go smaller on this one? I don't see... Oh, sorry. I don't see the logic in it. It should be the exact same, but it's not. Which is alarming and annoying at the same time. But still, let's see anyways. I went through this before and this never happened. I don't know why it's doing that. It's still going all the way up there. Well, the arm isn't even going down, actually. Oh, look. We didn't take away... Ah, that's normal. 3. That's why that happened. So, LS will have to make this... If we want to go backwards, have to make it a plus. Oh, sorry about that, guys. If you hopped onto that, well done. But that was my mistake. I didn't look at the bottom part of the script. That it was just doubling over because I didn't put the get rid of the minus at the bottom. So now, there you go. The arms. I know it might be stupid, and also when we walk, it's gonna kind of go wrong. But it's not perfect, but it's not horrible either. So now that we have that done, I also said I'd make a water move, which is gonna be fun. So, let's get everything in this script. Control A, Control C, and let's make. We'll call this. We'll keep that as fire, as power, but we're also gonna call this water. I'm not changing the name of that script for the pure reason of there's the other script that we changed the name of. That it looks for power and lighting. So I'll fix that soon. If you don't understand what I'm saying here, it's okay. I'm not explaining it well. So we're just gonna call this water. Oh no, water. And now let's change some of the things. So x shape equals ball. I'm actually gonna make this block because I feel like if we get the right shape, I kind of want like a big wave to happen, kind of like that. I don't know how we're gonna do it. Well, I have the basic idea, but it should go well. Yeah, we'll have like a wave. Not gonna be maroon. We're gonna do cyan, maybe. I feel like cyan's very... Oh, we'll see what it looks like anyways. Yeah, so cyan. Smooth, false, neon, anchored, false. Yeah, everything's going well. Yeah, we're gonna change the size though. X dot size equals instance dot new. Oh no, x dot what am I thinking? Sorry, x dot size equals vector 3 dot new and 0, 0, 0, and we're actually, let's make it 10, 10, 10. Now this is very big, but we'll see what it looks like anyways. And we're also gonna get rid of the fire as well. Where's that? Where's the fire? We're also gonna get rid of firelight as well. That's where the fire is. Let's get rid of that because we don't want the water to set on fire. And we'll see what it looks like. Oh wait, no we won't. Because we're not gonna have F at the same time. We're gonna set this as E. Now I am gonna change most of the script inside that. Well, all the button pressing soon. I did that power fire thing as a demonstration. Soon we're actually gonna get into when you choose your element. it's gonna do a lot more advanced scripting game things. So, oh, that's gonna be fun. So we have F, and if we press E, we did something wrong. No, we didn't. What? Okay. Let's just drag from lighting. We have water. Drag it into backpack. There you go. Now let's press E. It's not working. Disabled, enabled, maybe. Reset the script. No. We did. Script is not a parent of local script. No way. So, yeah, I know how to fix it. We're just gonna copy this script, paste it, and then drag it into water. Now, there you go. Actually, that's not that bad. That's the water move. So that. Okay. So that's fire. And that's the water. So we'll add some effects to it as well in a second. But yeah, it's not that bad. It's a little bit OP if you ask me. Actually, it's a little bit overpowered. Also, if we run and press it, we damage because we're running. Well, let's see. Because it's so big, and if we walk and do it, it's starting and then we're walking into it ourselves, which is annoying. So we're gonna have to change something about that. But yeah, we'll see. And we're also able to dodge out of that it's not too OP because that is the ammo system that we're gonna have. Now let's actually fix that running problem. So we're gonna set this, since it's such a bigger block, we're gonna set this to 18 away from us. So it's gonna be very far. It's not really going to make much of a difference, just fixing that small glitch. Now, I still haven't fixed that glitch that we have where we go first person and we see our hats. I don't think we can fix it, to be honest. So let's go into lighting. Actually, no. Let's just do it anyways. Let's drag it into players, and then drag it into player 1, and eventually drag it into backpack. There you go. Now get this script, copy it, paste it, drag it into water. And now let's watch this go. So now if we walk and do it, as you see, it doesn't break. Okay, that was nearly close, but that's just because I'm recording. See, everything drops and it's rendering me recording and what I'm doing right here. So yeah, it works well, and if we run, obviously we can get hit by it. So we're going to actually even make it bigger. No, even if I press F, I can still do that. What speed are we running at? Jesus Christ. Let me look at that sprint script. What speed is it? 48. Let's make that a 28. It should be noticeable running, and it shouldn't be too fast either. So now let's fix that annoying thing. Control-C, Control-V. And drag it into water, and there you go. So we don't have the thing, a GUI where you get to choose the thing, like your elements yet, and I'm going to make that next episode. So that's gonna be fun. Well, it's gonna be long actually, so it's gonna be a whole new episode of GUI scripting, which I need to do anyway since the last one I made didn't have any audio. So next episode's gonna be going back into GUI scripting and choosing your elements. Well, we only have fire, water, and then after that we'll make the next two element moves. And then eventually after that we're probably gonna work on the actual game programming with the getting points, getting kills, like getting streaks or anything like that. So if you kill a certain amount of people, you get something special or you level up. A leveling system will probably be cool to make. So yeah, that's what I have planned for the series. If you guys want to know anything else about game programming, leave a comment and I'll answer them, or I'll make an entire video based on it, because I just want to see what you guys actually want to learn how to make. Other than that, I'll see you next time on the Cookie Crusader. Bye.